About 14 degrees. That's what I come up with. So I'll make my legs 14 degrees and 37 inches. Long point to flat. 37 at 14 degrees. Not bad. A little wobbly. Fix that. Yeah, 14 degrees worked out pretty good. Must have cut one along. Same 14-degree angle. 15.25 length. Long point to long point. Sixteen inches down from the top. So on this one I did the same thing. I had the stretchers to the outside. I don't know if it makes any difference inside or outside, but that's where I added them. And I made these legs too long the first time. I made them 40 inches. And then the second one I made 37 inches. And that's long point to up here. This still has 14-degree bevel, and then so I had to cut all 4 of these. That's why it's up here like this. So this should. Oh yeah, that's so much better. And one thing I wanted to tell you, this is not sponsored by all means, but every time I pick up the circular saw from Evolution, yeah, I'm telling you, it rips through wood like butter. I don't know what they got going on with their blade to make it cut so well, especially construction grade lumber. I don't know if I do it on buying plywood, but construction grade lumber, it just rips right through it. So highly recommended for, you know, stud work and stuff like that. You'd have to play with it if you wanted to do something fine furniture or special veneer plywood or anything like that. But easy work with 2x4s. So there you go. 2 very strong sawhorses, and this is going to aid me in one of my upcoming projects. I don't know if I'll film it, but I am putting a roof on my house this summer, and I may film a little bit of it, but I don't know if I'll film all of it, because once it's ripped off, I'm going to work my ass off to get it covered up and sealed up and everything. So I don't know how much camera work's going to happen at that point. But I'll try to keep you updated. But 2 very fast sawhorses. We're gonna take them outside and might as well get you some beauty shots outside, but that's it.